They say when you're installing these units, you can't really, or your manufacturer doesn't recommend you putting in a window or going around an existing window, but we went ahead and did it anyway, and I'll show you how we're going to do it. Now, this is the way it looks like before we did our tiling and stuff, and I'm just getting prepped for it now. I have some rubber base that'll go around the entire window, so I wanted to get a nice solid area. And so here you can see where it's secured here like normal, okay, just like you would normally do, you know, all your other secures. So right here it's secured also like normal. And then what I did is I went ahead and added wood. So this is a 1x3 right above this channel. So here's the channel a little farther back here. Here's the channel for your tiles. I put a 1x3 in here all the way across, and then a 1x3 going up, and again all the way across, and got it all glued in. So it's super solid. This thing's just as solid as a rock. And I got these temporary screws in here. I can leave them or take them out depending on what kind of finish I want on it. But it's not going to bother me, so I'm going to leave them. But you could just put glue like I did. I have glue in there also, the same adhesive for here, you know. I put adhesive on this one too. So you can do the same thing and then pull these off once it's secure, once it's dried. And then over here, again, to make it level straight up, I put in some shims there too. That's how wide my trim's going to be. You'll have to see it when it's finished, but that's the way it's going to look. So anyway, you definitely can do it with the window. They don't recommend it because it's just more liability for them if something goes wrong. So they say, no, you can't do it. But in fact, you can do it. Okay? All right, so that's pretty simple. If you have any questions, let me know. But again, we just took the thing, cut it where it was at. So if your window's way up here, you're completely out of the tile area. Mine came down below the tile, and mine's right in the middle of the tile area. So anyway, it's going to work out how it works out. But anyway, so that's the way you can do it if you happen to have as tall a window as me. Okay? So you'll have to see it when it's all finished. I'll show you a picture in a minute. The next tip I would give you is you put it on tape. So the tape holds it right in line, and so you don't have to put on spacers, okay, and dig them out later. Just apply the thing, and then put on some tape to hold it in place, and you're all set. Okay, I'll keep going and show you the end product a little bit. It's all set up for the grouting. And catching the excess, but just in case I got a drop cloth down on it anyway. But all set up here to catching the excess grout. We'll go ahead and do that next. So the grouting turned out great. And now I'm going to pull the tape and stuff and dial in a little bit. Let it sit overnight, and I'll continue. Okay, so that's the tiling. And I got to dial in a little bit of the excess on the edges and stuff, but that looks pretty good for the day, and now I'll get out, and tomorrow morning I'll come back and put on the window surround. Get that dialed in. Oh, that's her. You can see how it's in there and nice. It looks great. And yeah, turned out nice.